Hello, everyone. Last time, I promised to show you this cherry blossom and lily of the valley piece. Today, let's get started. Follow along with me to crochet it together. The yarn we'll be using is 4-ply milk cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. You'll also need scissors and a sewing needle. Prepare these materials in advance. Let's start by crocheting the cherry blossom part. We'll begin with a magic ring. Insert the hook into the ring and pull through. Crochet 3 chain stitches. These 3 chain stitches count as 1 double crochet. Next, crochet 1 chain stitch. Now crochet a double crochet. Yarn over for the double crochet. Insert the hook into the ring and pull through. Pull through 2 loops. Then pull through the remaining 2 loops. This completes 1 double crochet. Next, crochet another chain stitch. The pattern for this set is 1 double crochet and 1 chain stitch as 1 set. Including the standing chain set, we already have 2 sets. Crochet 8 more sets to complete this round. Let's demonstrate 1 more set. First, crochet 1 double crochet. Then crochet 1 chain stitch. Now we have 3 sets. Continue this pattern to crochet 7 more sets on your own. I've already completed 10 sets here. After finishing 10 sets, tighten the center of the magic ring. Gently pull the yarn tail. Check which strand is in front, and pull that one first. After tightening, pull the starting tail. This closes the center hole. Next, slip stitch into the 3rd chain of the standing chain. Make a slip stitch. Crochet 1 chain stitch and cut the yarn. Now let's crochet the 2nd round. Insert the hook into the 1st chain space. Pull through and crochet 1 chain stitch as a standing stitch. Then, in the same stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. For a single crochet, insert the hook, pull through, and yarn over directly. This completes 1 single crochet. After that, crochet 1 chain stitch. Move to the next chain space. In this chain space, crochet 1 double crochet and 1 chain stitch. Then another double crochet and 1 chain stitch. Continue with 1 more double crochet and 1 chain stitch. This completes the work in this chain space. The pattern for this round is to crochet like this in 1 chain space and like this in the next chain space. Repeat this pattern for a total of 5 sets. Let's demonstrate 1 more set. In this chain space, crochet 1 single crochet and 1 chain stitch. In the next chain space, crochet 1 double crochet and 1 chain stitch. Then another double crochet and 1 chain stitch. And 1 more double crochet and 1 chain stitch. That's it. Follow this pattern to crochet the remaining 3 sets. This round is now complete. Slip stitch into the 1st single crochet. After completing the slip stitch, transition to this double crochet. First, slip stitch into this chain space. Then slip stitch onto this double crochet. This way, we don't need to start a new yarn. We can directly crochet the next round. First, crochet 1 chain stitch as a standing stitch. On this double crochet, crochet 1 single crochet. Then crochet 1 half double crochet. For a half double crochet, yarn over, insert, pull through, and yarn over again. This is a half double crochet. Next, crochet 1 chain stitch. Move to the middle double crochet. First, crochet 1 double crochet. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. Slip stitch into the middle double crochet. Crochet 3 more chain stitches. Then crochet 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Next, crochet 1 chain stitch. Move to the next double crochet. First, crochet 1 half double crochet. Then, in the same stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. This completes 1 petal. Repeat these steps for the next petal. Let's crochet the next petal. Let's demonstrate 1 more set. On the 1st double crochet, crochet 1 single crochet. Then crochet 1 slip stitch and 1 chain stitch. In this stitch, crochet 1 double crochet, 3 chain stitches, and a slip stitch. crochet 3 more chain stitches. Then crochet a double crochet. Crochet 1 chain stitch. On the last double crochet, crochet a half double crochet. Then crochet a single crochet. This completes 2 petals. For the remaining 3 petals, crochet them using the same method. We've now completed all the petals. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. Then crochet 1 chain stitch and cut the yarn. This completes the cherry blossom. We need to crochet 2 of these cherry blossoms. Please crochet the second one on your own. Next, let's crochet the lily of the valley part. The lily of the valley also starts with a magic ring. Insert the hook into the ring and pull through. Crochet 1 chain stitch as a standing stitch. This stitch doesn't count as a stitch. Next, crochet single crochets. Insert the hook and pull through. Then crochet a single crochet. Since we already have 1 single crochet, yarn over and pull through. Then crochet the second single crochet. This round requires a total of 6 single crochets. After finishing, tighten the center of the magic ring. Slip stitch into the first stitch. After the slip stitch, start the second round. Crochet 3 chain stitches. These 3 chain stitches count as the first double crochet of the second round. Crochet 1 chain stitch. This counts as 1 double crochet and 1 chain stitch. Next, on the second stitch, this is the first stitch, and this is the second stitch. Crochet 1 double crochet in the second stitch, and 1 chain stitch. This round requires crocheting 1 double crochet and 1 chain stitch in each stitch, a total of 6 sets. Keep this yarn tail for later use. We'll need it at the end. For the remaining sets, please crochet them on your own. We've now completed this round. Slip stitch into the third chain of the chain stitch. Crochet 1 chain stitch and cut the yarn. Now, let's crochet the pink part of the pendant. Insert the hook directly into the first chain space. Take the pink yarn. We can tuck this yarn under to hide it, so we won't need to weave it in later. Pull through and crochet 2 chain stitches. These 2 chain stitches don't count as stitches. In this space, crochet incomplete half double crochets. Yarn over, insert, and pull through. This is 1 incomplete half double crochet. We need to crochet 6 of them. The second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one. After completing 6, pull through all loops at once. Then crochet 1 chain stitch. This completes 1 chain space. For each of the following chain spaces, crochet 6 incomplete half double crochets. Then pull through all at once. Let's demonstrate 1 more chain space. Yarn over, insert into the second chain space and pull through. The first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one. A total of 6. Pull through all loops at once. Crochet 1 chain stitch. This chain space is complete. For more chain spaces remain. Please crochet them on your own. We've finished the last chain space. Slip stitch into the first stitch, which is the puff stitch position. After the slip stitch, transition to the space between 2 puff stitches. Next, we'll crochet between the 2 puff stitches. Let's crochet the first section. Start with 1 chain stitch as a standing stitch. Here, crochet 1 single crochet and 2 double crochets. Then crochet 1 single crochet. This completes 1 gap between puff stitches. For each gap, crochet using this method. Crochet the remaining 5 gaps on your own. We've completed all 6 gaps. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. Crochet 1 chain stitch and cut the yarn. We need to crochet 4 of these lily of the valley flowers. Please crochet the remaining 3 on your own. Now, let's crochet the hanging cord. Adjust the length of the cord to your preference. Leave a section of yarn at the start, about 10 centimeters long. Start with a chain stitch. Place the hook under the yarn and wrap it around. Pinch the crossed yarn and wrap it again. Pull through directly. Tighten the crossed yarn. The starting stitch is complete. This starting stitch doesn't count as a stitch. Next, crochet chain stitches. Crochet like this. This cord in the video has 80 chain stitches. Use this as a reference. Let's finish crocheting this 80 chain cord. This cord is now complete. It has a total of 80 chain stitches. When cutting the yarn, leave a slightly longer tail. Next, we need to crochet a shorter cord. The short cord will pass through the long cord. Start with a chain stitch. Crochet 16 chain stitches. After completing 16 chain stitches, pass it through the long cord. First, loosen this loop. Take the long cord. Count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm at the 10th stitch. Pass it through the 10th stitch. Take the short cord we were working on. Pass it through as shown in the video. Then continue crocheting 20 more chain stitches. After completing these 20 chain stitches, cut the yarn directly. Gather all the crocheted components. First, let's sew one of the lilies of the valley. Sew the remaining ones following the video. Use the long yarn tail we left earlier to sew the lily of the valley. Thread the needle through the lily of the valley. After threading, we previously left a long green yarn tail here. Tie these 2 yarn tails into a tight knot. You can tie several knots to prevent it from coming loose. This lily of the valley is now sewn. For the remaining lilies, sew them using the same method. Arrange them like this. After arranging, use a glue gun to attach the 2 cherry blossoms together. First, glue the cord to the bottom half of the cherry blossom. This keeps the cord in place. Then glue the top half of the cherry blossom. In the video, the cord is positioned in the middle of the petals. Don't pull the cord too tight, or the cherry blossom may deform. Then glue the other cherry blossom. Secure it firmly. You can glue each petal individually. To avoid misalignment, this cherry blossom and lily of the valley piece is now complete. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.